Namaste, I am Dr. Patanjali Sharma, Sasya Sanjeevini Panchakarma Center, Ashokavana, Gokarna. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Gokarna Ayurveda. If you are not subscribed our channel, if you are seeing first time our channel, please subscribe our channel. You can get the health related videos. Today, I will explain you about one simple home remedy for the cold and cough. So, you will have the honey in the home and ginger in the home. With the help of two things, easily we can control the cold and cough. How to use it, I will explain you in details. Here I am having honey and ginger slices. You can see the ginger slices and ginger powder. Anyone you can use. If you have the ginger powder, you can use the powder directly. If you have the ginger, you can make the slices or you can extract the juice from the ginger. So what you should do, take 1 teaspoon of good quality of organic honey, add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, mix well in the vessel, mix well for 5 minutes, then slowly you can chew the honey and juice together. This is one method. Next, what you can do, for 1 teaspoon of honey, you can add half teaspoon of the ginger powder. So mix well in the vessel, mix well, keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it mix together and become one compound. Then slowly you can lick the compound together, honey and ginger powder. This is one more method. Next one is, you can take like 5 to 6 teaspoon of honey, put the ginger slices in the honey, leave it for 1 to 2 hours or overnight. After that, slowly you can take the ginger slices, keep on your tongue. So slowly absorb all the honey and ginger juice. At the end, you can discard the ginger slice. Like this, there are 3 simple methods to overcome the common cold and cough. In Ayurveda, they told Yatha Tailam Gratham Madhu, for Vata Pitta Kapha, for air, fire and water. To combat this, we can use Taila Gratham Madhu. Taila means oil, Gratha means ghee, Madhu means honey. For air imbalance, we can use the sesame oil. For Pitta, fire imbalance, we can use the ghee. For the Kapha, for the mucus or water imbalance in the body, we can use the honey. This is naturally helpful. So you can make this combination. By this combination, easily we can cure common cold, common cough, throat infection, running nose, mild headache in our body. All these problems easily we can overcome by this simple home remedy. In India, we are practicing since many years this combination, honey and ginger. So you can also take the benefit of this combination. Every day you can do for 3 to 4 days. By 3 to 4 days, you will become completely alright. Whole day, don't forget to drink lukewarm water. It will helpful to relieve the mucus from the body. And you can do the gargling with salt water or turmeric water. That also prevent many infection spreading to the upper respiratory tract and for the sinuses. This is a simple home remedy. You can take the benefit of honey and ginger. So it's easily available in the market and you can keep in your home as a home remedy. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe our new channel, Gokarna Ayurveda. Thank you.